There are times when you will want your dog to go in one direction. Maybe you're going from your car into a building, or your car into the house, or from the house to the car, and you're not going to be able to do all of this change directions, follow me, although the dog should still follow you. But sometimes we really do want to get them on one side or the other. Again, she's acting like a puppy right now. I ignore that the best I can. So, you know, she's still in control with me, so I just don't worry about it at this stage. She's just starting. Please be careful how much good behavior you're expecting your dog to do. This is one of the reasons that a lot of programs don't place puppies this young, because you have to be more patient. When you get a dog that's, you know, 7 or 8 or 9 months old, they're way past all of this silliness. But this is also part of the joy of having a puppy. So just remember that they're playing and it's okay. This is kindergarten. So we don't want to push them too hard. Like I said before, this harness is for you know, taking them out, playing with them, doing different things. It's really not a training harness. It's not, it's just for managing the dog. It's not really to do anything different. So what I want to do is, you guys have your harnesses. These are what they're called Sporn halters, S-P-O-R-N. It's a very old company, but it's an excellent version of a walking harness that you can use. The mesh goes on the chest. The solid pieces of adjustable is actually what goes over their head, and the strings are what go behind the dog's elbows. What I do is I shake it out, and I make sure that I open this up. So, a little hard to do with the squid here, but I open it up so my hand goes through here. So I have the front piece and the back piece to where I can easily slip it over the dog's head in one move. So now you've got the front piece on, then I just take off the harness. That's a goner. Okay, and now the fuzzy pieces, you just step. If you have your puppy this way, I think it's much easier because the pup's away from you and you're not coming towards them. An easy trick to do for harnessing or leashing your dog is, if you have a sliding glass door, take some peanut butter and smear it on the door, and your puppy's going to be busy licking while you're doing all of this, getting the puppy dressed. So anyway, pull these strings fairly tight, slide this down. So now you have kind of a squeezing mechanism around your pup. This is the beginning of a little pressure release coming from you. Okay, so again, if your puppy's really bad about chewing on the leash or the strings, please spray that while it's off of the puppy with some dog flea spray. Make sure it's dry, and then put it back on your dog, and then your harness tastes pretty lousy. So I just want to keep her busy, keep her distracted, and then we're going to go take a little walk. Okay, stop.